Hi everybody, how are you? We've made it to the end of the week. Yay! It's Friday, the last day of the week for us at school and our last maths lesson. So let's start, how we always start our lessons, with a bit of counting. So show me your fingers, get yourselves ready. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, well done if you managed to keep up with me. Now let's have a go at doing some tennis. I'm going to start and then you can do the next number. Here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, well done if you managed to keep up with me. Let's move on. Here we go. What is one fewer than this number? This is the number... It's the number 4. Well done. This is the number 4. And one less, one fewer than 4 is... What did you say? Did you say 3? Well done if you got that right. Here's the next one. This is the number... we did this last week, didn't we? This number, the Numicon, is the number 7, isn't it? This is 7, and one less, one fewer than 7 is 6. So well done if you said the number 6. Okay, here's another one. What's this number? It's the number 5. And one less than 5, one fewer than 5 is 4. Well done if you said 4. Okay, so let's have a look at these pictures now. One of these isn't right. We've got some things that are heavy, so they're really heavy and you can't lift them very well, and some things that are very light. And when we put them on the balance scales like these, all right, the heavy things should go down and the light things, they will go up. Can you have a look at these and decide which one that you think is wrong? Because one of them isn't right. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video there. I'm going to raise my hand and you can pause the video and you can decide and have a little talk with someone there who's sat with you. Okay, I will see you in a moment. So pause the video now. Okay, well done everybody. Did you have a little think about it? Look at all of these different things. We've got an elephant here and a feather. Is an elephant heavier than a feather? Or is a feather lighter than an elephant? Let's think about that. Here we go, look, we've got a car and we've got a snowflake. Is the car heavier than the snowflake? Is the snowflake heavier than the car? I'll come back to that one. Here we are down here. We got a teddy bear and a toy train. Is the toy train heavier than the bear? Is the bear lighter than the toy train? We've got the last one here. Here we go. I've got a pen and a butterfly. Is the pen heavier than the butterfly? Is the butterfly lighter than the pen? Here's the answer. I think it's this one, look. I think a snowflake isn't very heavy at all, and that car should be there instead. What do you think? Okay, here we go. We're going to have a go at making the number 8. So here's the 8 Numicon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to start with the number 1. So what else do we need to go with 1 to make the 8? Have a look. What answer did you get? What number? Shout it out. Did you say the number 7? Because if you did, well done, you got it right. Okay, we're going to have a go at making number 8 again. But this time, we've got the number 6. What else do we need to go with 6 to make 8? Have a look at the top. Did you say the number 2? Because if you said 2, you are correct. Well done again. Okay, here's another go. Right, looking at this one here, we're going to start with the number, 3. What goes with the number 3 to make 8? Have a look. What do you think? Did you say the number 4? Oh dear, if you said the number 4, sorry. Did you say the number 5 though? Have a look. There it is. 3 and 5 makes 8. Now, I want us to have a think about combining, joining 2 bits together. All right, we're going to combine the number of spots on a domino. And you might have some dominoes like this at home. You might even have some dominoes that have got pictures on. They might have some insects or some bugs. You might have something completely different. All right, you might be able to print some off at home if you've got a printer. Now, I want you, here we are, look, we've got a man down here and he said, how many spots are on this side? How many spots have we got here? Can you subbitize that? Can you tell me without even counting? Shout it out, it's the number 4, well done. That is the pattern for the number 4. Right, there we are, look, it tells us the number 4 there. Okay, now, he's back again, look, he said, how many spots are on this side? Do you recognise that pattern? How many are there? It's the number 3. Here we go. Now, I want you to have a little think. If we combine these 2 numbers, we put them all together, we get, we can count them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we know it's 4, don't we? So we start with 4 in our head. 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. And there it is, the number 7. Well done. Now, have a look at this one. All right, I've chosen 3 dominoes this time. All right, and I've also said, if you've got some dominoes at home, you can do this with lots and lots of different ones. All right, so we're going to try combining the 2 sets of spots. You've got the top set and the bottom set there. Or if you turn it the other way, you've got one side and then the other. So, how many have we got there? And how many have we got there? You can find out the total there and the total there, and then you can say how many there are all together by counting them. All right, have a go with this one. You've got some spots here and some spots there. You can find out how many all together. And then last of all, look, this one. We've got 1 here and some here as well. You can find out how many all together. So if you've got your own dominoes, have a go with that. Have a grown-up or one of your brothers or sisters, if they're there with you, and you can do that together and make it in a game. Or have a go with these ones. So I'll pause the video, and then you can have a go with these ones if you want to. Okay? So pause the video if you're going to use these ones. Okay, hopefully you managed to use these dominoes here or some of your own. Because now I want you to look at these and I want you to be really clever for me. Do you think you can do that? Because hidden in these 9 dominoes, there are 3 that have got a total of 6 spots. So your job is to find out which ones have got 6 spots on them. All right, I'm going to pause the video and your job is to find out how many there are all together on one domino. Do you think you can do that for me? All right, I'm going to pause the video one more time. So you pause the video at home and then you can tell me which 3 dominoes have got a total of 6 spots. So I'll see you in a moment, okay? Back in a minute. Right, I'm going to show you which ones have got 6. Now, the first one is this one here. It's got 5 on one side and 1 on the other. So that's 5 and 1 more. That makes 6, doesn't it? Okay, did you see another one? Which was the next one that you think has got 6 all together? Was it this one? Was it this one? Was it this one? Was it this one? This one? Who knows? Let's find out. It was this one down here. I've got 0 on that side, but on this side, look, there are 6 spots all together. So 6 on one side and 0 on the other makes 6 all together. And the very last one is this one over here. Look, we've got a double 3. So I've got 3 and 3 together. That makes 6. Okay, well done everybody. You've worked really, really hard if you managed to find all of those on there. Maybe you could have another go at doing some more things at home where you're finding the total in 2 groups. Put some bits on this side, some bits on that side, and then squeeze them together to see how many there are. Right, I'm going to see you next week with 4 lessons for next week. All right, so have a lovely weekend and I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.